What if I told you that we can unlock the power of instant manifestation, making our dreams effortlessly and quickly materialize? Now, I know it's a tantalizing idea. We're all manifesting in some way all the time. But what if we could gain conscious control over this process, directing our desires into our lives without the tension and anxiety that often thwart them? Chances are, you've heard that emotions are the language of the subconscious mind. So emotions are the signals it uses to distinguish importance. It's a well-known fact. Now, what might be lesser known is the incredible potential for near-instant manifestations using the subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is like a personal assistant, tirelessly working behind the scenes to make your goals a reality. This life you're living right now, whether it satisfies you or not, is a direct product of the programming in your subconscious mind. So for me, the big aha moment totally escaped me. I rarely could comprehend how I've programmed my mind to bring about less than desirable outcomes. Here is a simple analogy. I love sharing this. I've had so much success with my clients when I break it down in this way. Please listen, hear this. Every time you place more emotional weight on your limitations than your aspirations, you're instructing your subconscious that limitations matter more. So consequently, it channels more energy into these limits, perpetuating them in your life. Essentially, if the subconscious mind isn't delivering your desires, it's because you haven't communicated them in a language it understands. This is the key. When you convey your wants to your subconscious mind, it will labor tirelessly in the background to actualize them. The 3D reality has no choice. For example, have you ever been mulling over a problem only to set it aside for a while and then find the solution suddenly apparent upon your return? So this is you instructing your subconscious mind that you need a solution. When you walk away, your subconscious continues working. It gathers resources. As soon as you detach and return, it effortlessly serves up its findings. So think of it as a computer. It can only work with the inputs it's given. And if these inputs are mismatched with your desires, that's not your subconscious's fault. It's about feeding the right data into the system to get the desired outputs. Now, through meditative practices is how we speed up this process. It is exactly why I've created my Inner Sanctuary meditation. Right there in the description, I'll pin it to the comments. It is the starting point to begin manifesting very quickly and in turn become aware and conscious of those programs that are ultimately running us. The method I use to achieve this is actually quite simple. So your subconscious mind, it mirrors your dominant focus. Now I want you to take a few moments to reminisce about a time when you felt abundant, loved, or healthy. Choose one of these states to focus on. Now, recall these memories. Notice the associated emotions. These emotions, when in a meditative state, while we truly feel these emotions as if they are taking place in the moment, this is how we train the subconscious mind to manifest. And it can be easy. Sometimes merely thinking the words abundance or love or health can trigger related emotions. It's so simple when you just let go and realize that you are the creator. Challenge your subconscious by asking, what would it look like if I were abundant? What would it look like if I were loved? What would it look like if I were healthy? And through those visualizations, the feeling will arise. And from a meditative state, in that centered state, hold on to those feelings. Truly hold on to them, and they will become reality. You don't need to dwell on a question. Just ask and release it. Your subconscious is programmed to answer. It absolutely cannot ignore its design. And the beauty is, it doesn't require tremendous effort. You don't have to strive to feel abundant, loved, or healthy. Just briefly access that state, and the subconscious delivers the corresponding emotion. For most, this happens within seconds. I want to take a second to welcome you to the channel. My name is Dre. I'm a meditation coach. I help people learn the tool of meditation so they can create instant manifestations, a life of abundance, a life of love, and truly access their desired reality. Now, instant manifestation operates on the premise that everything is energy and vibration. I'm sure you've heard the quote by Nikola Tesla. Now, every manifestation starts as a vibrational form before materializing in the physical world. When we recall the desired state, you may not see an immediate physical result, but you've planted the seed. Nurture this seed, and it will grow into your reality. This is why daily meditation is so important. I challenge you to stay to the end of this video and truly take in this information. By the end, you will know exactly how to manifest in your desired reality. Our emotions act as magnets, attracting people, experiences, and opportunities aligned with those feelings. So to unlock your vibrational vault, so to say, and manifest your deepest desires, you must resonate with the frequency of those desires. Emotion is the signature of any manifestation, or think of it as the seed. The result, plant. Your manifestation inherits the nature of the seed, the emotional state, but you can't expect a plant to spring from the air. You must nurture it with the elements it needs to thrive. For instance, feeling healthy is the seed for physical health, while feeling abundant is the seed for a prosperous life. The power lies in planting these seeds in a relaxed manner from a meditative state. This adds the energy needed for growth. So on the subject of instant manifestation hinges on maintaining a dominant emotional state. So it's not about momentary emotions, it's about your constant emotional practice. The level of happiness in your dominant state, your core state, dictates the speed of your manifestations. The happier and more relaxed you are about feeling good regarding your desires, the faster they manifest. You are the ultimate I am. You are the creator. Instant physical manifestation occurs when you've elevated your dominant emotional state to consistently high levels of happiness, love, gratitude. This is why we speak of gratitude so much. It is so important on this journey. So this keeps the door to your vibrational vault wide open. Everything you desire will flow in, perfectly timed, reflecting your genuine readiness for them. And your subconscious mind plays a pivotal role. So think of it as a lens. It won't focus on its own. It needs guidance. Your conscious mind is the director. It can take charge rather than leaving the subconscious on, autopilot. And this requires practice. It is possible. It is absolutely possible. Remember, wherever your focus goes, your manifestation will follow. If your attention gravitates towards lack or anger or fear, that is what you'll attract. And conversely, if you focus on abundance, abundance will flow. You always have the choice to shift your focus to what you genuinely desire. Now, the subconscious mind, it doesn't discriminate. It simply follows your directive. So whether you focus on scarcity or wealth, it will obey. The dominant emotional state aligns with your focus and manifests accordingly. I like to think of it as your emotions are your compass. They reveal where your focus lies. This is why, through meditative practices, you become aware of these things, these vibrations, these frequencies, and now it is up to you to rise above. With practice, you can be aware of your focus in every single moment and make instant adjustments. If you're locked into anxiety about, say, money, pivot your focus to abundance. Now, I want to share with you an exercise that I still use and I teach all of my clients, especially those that are struggling desperately with abundance. Now, to do this, I want you to enter the zero state by clearing your mind and emotions. Now, this isn't said to control your mind and emotions, this is to simply step away and become the observer through a meditative state. Think of something mundane, like unrelated to your goals. Then focus on your desired emotional state. Ask your subconscious mind. Ask, what would it look like if I were already experiencing my desired manifestation? And feel the feelings. If they are negative feelings, simply replace them with the exact opposite. The subconscious mind will always seek an answer in the associated state. You don't need to visualize your goal entirely. Just plant the seed. Focus on its essence. If earning, say, $20,000 a month seems daunting now, focus on the positive feeling of abundance within, not the actual money, just how you would feel if all the bills were paid, all the debt was released from you, if you had enough money for a lifetime. What would that feel like? Initially, you might struggle. I know I did greatly. And I had so many old habits and programs that were running me through fear and anxiety and lack. That's all I thought I could focus on. But this is the trick. Simply change those beliefs. It's that easy. If you can think of the lack, you can absolutely think of the abundance. This doesn't mean to resist these feelings. This means to simply allow them to be and replace them. And consistently stay in the feeling. Just like Neville Goddard said, feeling is the secret. I think we all know by now that our subconscious is programmed to attract the familiar, even if it's unwanted. So as you introduce new focuses or programs, you should expect resistance. Persistence is key, my friend. Keep affirming your new focus, and your subconscious will adopt it, gradually letting go of the old program and beliefs. So during this phase, it is absolutely crucial to let the emotion be enough for the present moment. That is your instant manifestation. So your goal will eventually produce the desired emotion. But for now, especially if you're just getting into this seed of emotion suffices. I think one of my biggest hangups was I kept thinking about how or when will this happen? Why isn't it happening now? That is in the state of resistance and still within lack. With consistent focus, the vibrational signature of your goal will draw into your life at the right time. Divine timing. The universe always works in divine timing. You just leave it up to the universe. Plant the seed, nurture it, and allow it to grow. Love it. Spend time with it. Be content with it and watch it grow. In essence, the secret of the subconscious mind for instant manifestation is this. What you focus on, you instantly receive an emotional essence. So if you have a goal you want to manifest, I want you to contemplate it and connect with the emotions it evokes. Trust that your subconscious mind will automate this new program with the energy you provide. And you'll be surprised, the old, unwanted program will gradually fade into obscurity. It'll fade away, and it'll be lost because you have now shifted into a new paradigm. Maintain your vision. No matter how persistent the old program is, redirect your focus. Spend time in meditation in the morning and at night when your brain is in theta. This is the prime time to really imprint the subconscious with that which you desire. Don't forget to grab your free guided meditation. I've created this so that you can actually start to manifest your desires into reality. Right there in the description, I'll pin it to the comments. Thank you for watching, my friend. I will see you in the next video.